I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over creating your Twitter account. But first off I want to go over the importance of creating a Twitter account. Twitter has over 320 million active monthly users, which is pretty huge. Most people overlook Twitter because it's not as big as Facebook or some of the other social media platforms, but it's still a really big and useful platform if used right. Twitter is more news related and informative than other social media, and many users will check out Twitter before they do business with you. When used right, Twitter can be a very powerful tool for both promoting your business and researching other businesses. Now we're going to jump into creating your Twitter account. We're on the main Twitter website right now, twitter.com. The first thing you want to do to sign up is click on the sign up button. Now you're going to be taken to step 1 of 4 of creating your account. First thing you need to do is choose your name. You can choose any name that you like, but I would strongly recommend using your own personal name so you can connect with people better on Twitter. I'm going to type in my full name. Below you can use either your phone or your email to sign up, so I'm going to use my email. Then you have to enter your date of birth. And don't worry, it's not publicly shown on your profile. When you're done, click Next, and then check that all of your details are correct and click Sign Up. Next, we need to grab our verification code that was sent to the email that we entered, so I'm going to go do that now. Now I have my Twitter code, I'm going to paste the code into the box and click Next. Step 4, you need to create a password, of course. So I'm going to enter my password and click Next. So your account is now fully set up. You can skip all the next steps and go straight through to your profile, but it's easy to set them up on the sign up, so we're going to do that right now. First is picking a profile picture. It's really important to add a photo of yourself so people can connect with you on a personal level. You shouldn't use your logo or a cartoon picture or the basic profile picture. It shows that you haven't put a lot of effort in, and people will not take you seriously if you just have a blank picture on there. And having your own profile picture means people can connect with you, people can put a face to the profile, and they know it's an actual person on the other end. I'm going to choose my picture with my face. Then when I've uploaded the picture, I'm going to click Next. Next is your bio. As you can see, this can't be very long. You've got 160 characters to tell everyone what makes you special. On your bio, it should tell people about you, explain what you do, why you do it, and it should also be sociable and conversational. You want to use this so people can make a connection with you. If you don't connect with someone, then most likely not going to follow you. I'm going to write a very quick bio here. Here's my quick bio. Nomad, international speaker, award-winning affiliate marketer. Before I became a nomad, I started from nothing in 2017 as a suicidal addict. Follow my journey. I don't know about you, but if I read that as a bio, I would want to follow that person and see what they're doing. So you might not have as good a story as I do, or you might have a better story than I do. But you should use your advantages and your disadvantages to your advantage when you can. When you've completed your bio, click Next, and then it's going to ask you what you're interested in. This is going to give you some suggestions for people to follow, so you can select a number of topics to start following to show up in your newsfeed. I'm going to choose a couple to start off with. I'm going to choose fitness and wellness and online marketing. Click Next. And now you've selected a few topics, it's going to give you some suggestions for who to follow. You shouldn't just follow anyone, you want to follow people who can help your business and who you can connect with. You don't just want to follow loads of celebrities and whoever you want. You can follow hundreds of celebrities with millions of followers, but if they're not interested in what you're doing, if they're not interested in affiliate marketing or building a business or whatever you're doing online, there's no point in having hundreds of thousands of unorganized followers. Scroll through and see who you would like to follow. I can see here that this lady, Diane, has a creative online marketing agency. And she's also a motivational entrepreneur. So this might be a profile that I want to follow. So I'm going to click follow. And now, once I click this button, I'm going to start following her. And this is another person that I might want to follow, Kim Gast, who's passionate about helping entrepreneurs grow their business. So that's another person that I might follow. And this one I wouldn't follow because they seem to be in a different language. So I definitely don't want to follow them because it's not going to resonate with me. First it's showing me online marketing people to follow, and then below it's going to show me my second choice, which was fitness and wellness, so any fitness and wellness things that I might want to follow. Then below that it's going to show you some other things that you might be interested in. By the looks of it, it just seems to be random because it doesn't seem to have anything to do with the fitness or digital marketing that I chose. Once you've chosen who you want to follow, just click follow. And that is it. Your new Twitter account is all set up. In this video we went over setting up your Twitter account.